Right behind me is one of the largest homes you'll find in Trasona Cove. It's a Santa Rosa floor plan. It's coming in at over 3,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, a bonus space, and 4.5 bathrooms. I'm gonna take you guys inside and show you some of my favorite things about this property because in my opinion, it's one of the most functional floor plans and actually one of my favorite. You guys already know my stance on dedicated dining. The Santa Rosa has a dedicated dining room. I'm not even going to include this in my 3 favorite things about this floor plan. It's just a bonus. All right guys, I'm gonna start in the sexiest spot of the house and it's the garage. The Santa Rosa has one of the largest 3-car garages. It's an oversized 3-car garage. You're able to pick up additional storage here, which is gonna be under the stairs, and the garage actually bumps out a little bit more on this side. I've seen a lot of people utilize this for a workshop. They have a refrigerator. It's even plumbed here, so if you wanted to add a slop sink or have water, you can even put a shower in here and make this your workout setup. That's actually a pretty brilliant idea. And my second favorite is this kitchen. And if you just look around, you can see there is no shortage of storage, whether that's uppers or lowers, so I love that. You still have a very good sized island here. They have 3 chairs here, but I have seen it where you can put 4. And then also just the use of countertop space. I mean, there is just a ton of it. This is just a great sized kitchen and it flows beautifully into the living area. And number 3 is the use of this space here. So this is the 2nd floor in the Santa Rosa. You have an upstairs loft, a full bathroom, and then an additional bedroom over here. And a lot of times I see this room set up as an office, a studio, or potentially it could be another room for maybe your least favorite child that you just want to get away from everyone. Or just a general playroom for all your kids. And I should also mention that this space has its own air conditioner. Pretty cool. And one other thing I wanted to mention was this is one of the only areas in Trasona Cove where you can have a 6-foot privacy fence. And I don't know if you guys know this yet or not, but with all new Viera builder homes, the new communities that they're developing, they are no longer allowing that type of fencing. So if you wanted a fence, you're gonna be restricted to a fence like that, which is that Floridian style between 4 and 6 feet. It will not be a 6-foot privacy fence. So if that is something you want, you're pretty much gonna be looking at Trasona Cove East or West. Now those are some of the highlights of this property. There are other notable features such as the primary bedroom is downstairs. There's 2 walk-in closets. You have a bedroom with an ensuite, 2 rooms up front, that dedicated dining that I know we talked about. This space is grand. I mean, it's a very functional floor plan and it was very popular when they were building out this community. If you have any further questions about this home, Viera, Trasona Cove, any of the other communities that you want to know about, go ahead and shoot me an email to Shane at the Bergman Group.